Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Instagram Reels on Facebook or how to share your Instagram Reels on Facebook. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to create a reel so we can be able to share it in our Instagram. So here I'm just going to click on the plus sign and from here I'm just going to scroll to reel. Now we need to start creating our reel. So let's just have some footage and basically let's just have this footage here and we can just have something like that. I'm just going to start and let's stop here. Now we have this content and basically now I'm just going to click next. I won't edit on anything. So as you can see, you can create stickers, add audio and many other things. The important part isn't all this or the download part or etc. We need just to click on next. So basically here we will find the cover and we will find the hashtag that you can add, some polls, you can tag people, etc. And also you can add audiences. So as you can see here, you can also share on the threads if you have threads, or you can also share on your Facebook account. So basically here you can enable always share reels on Facebook, so you can have it already enabled, or you can only do it on some specific reels. So I'm just going to click on share only on this, and we can also explore this more option. You can add some reminders like scheduling this reel upload at highest quality, so you can have it not having it compressed, so it can be on the highest quality and many other uh, settings. So after that, you will be needing just to click on next and then you will click on next and share your reel. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.